Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will do this project together in our Tinkercad software to do the Arduino program. So the first thing to do is blink 3 LED 500 milliseconds on and off only one time. So now let's go to Tinkercad. Okay, find the component to build our circuit, and then we can make the code to do the programming. Go to block, touch, continue, and then with our project is blink 3 LED on and off only one time. Let's go. By blinking 3 LED, I'm gonna pick 3 LED, do like this. I'm gonna change the color of LED. I'm gonna have green and resistance. I'm gonna have 100 ohm. Okay. By clicking to our breadboard like this, and then you can change the color by typing any number in our keyboard. So I'm gonna have number 2 is red now. I'm gonna do like this. Let's click. Okay. Let's click again. Connect the ground together. Let's click. Do like this. Okay, go to test for making our code. So for now, by blinking 3 LED on and off for 500 milliseconds at one time, I'm gonna do this code in our void setup. Okay, I'm gonna set the pin mode function. Pin mode here. Do like this. I'm gonna tap the pin that I connected each and output. Okay, we're gonna blink 3 LED on and off only one time by delay 500 milliseconds. Digital function and each and digital digital function 10 and I'm gonna delay 500 milliseconds. Okay, I'm making our LED to off to low, so digital is low. Digital 9 low. Digital 10 low. Okay, I'm gonna comment the function that I'm not using it. Do like this. Okay, here we go. Click start simulation, and then we're gonna see our LED on and off only one time. Do another thing. To blink 3 LED every 500 milliseconds. Okay, I'm gonna delete here. Okay, here we go. Digital right function and age gonna hide and digital right function 9 pin hide digital right function 10 height. Okay, I'm gonna delay 500 milliseconds. Digital right and age too low. Digital right and pin 9 too low. Digital right pin 10 too low. Delay 500 milliseconds. Okay, we can make our LED blinking 3 LED every 500 milliseconds. So go to start the simulation. As you can see now, let's go to the next step. By doing this step, go to our Tinkercad again. I'm gonna delete something, and the first LED is on for 500 milliseconds. So the first LED, I'm gonna choose pin 8 here. I'm gonna digital right 8 and height for 500 milliseconds. Delay 500 milliseconds. Okay, and followed by the second LED blink for 500 milliseconds. Okay, I'm gonna comment it to for LED and the second LED and delay 500 milliseconds. Gonna comment it to second LED. The third LED is on 500 milliseconds here. Do like this. I'm gonna delay 500 milliseconds. And then after that, turn off the 3 LED at the same time. So digital right 8 too low, digital right pin 9 too low, digital pin 10 too low. By doing like this, it can make our 3 LED off at the same time. So now let's go to start simulation. Oh, it have any error. I'm clicking on here. As you can see now, I'm gonna make our LED too low. Digital right pin 8 and low, and pin 9 low, and pin 10 digital right low. I'm gonna comment something. I'm gonna have 3 LED at the same time here. Okay, go to start simulation. As you can see now, our first LED is on and the second LED follow the first LED. After that, the third LED follow the second LED. As you can see here, Okay, here we go. To start our next step, here turn on the first LED and keep it on for 1 second and then turn it off. The first LED, choose pin H and keep it on for 1 second. 1000. 1 second here. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna delete it. Let's go to start simulation. Click on here. As you can see now, the first LED is on for 1 second and then the second and third. So stop simulation.